You could tell by the dudes at the gym, you just don't do that.
Yeah. But yeah. The centrum of Vasa.
Yeah.
It's a cool building.
I know, it's really cool. Way bigger, it's not just hill.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Smash? Smash. Would you smash it? Would you smash it? Smash that shit?
You're always causing a scene.
We don't talk about the Danish.
This is 30 euros on the all-on boat. It's 54 here.
The ice sheet is very cool looking.
Yeah, if you've never seen ice before.
You have to realize that this is special for me, right? One second, I'm coming. First time Sweden.
Nu kan vi spela hoa på högsta volym.
Ooh. Oh my god, it's so much candy here. There's literally a chocolate fountain here, guys. Let's get pickles. Guys, this is how extreme the Swedes are. They're really... The Swedes like sweets. What do you have in there, Yorel?
I'm just gonna put like almost everything in it because I've never seen so much random candy.
Okay. Oh look, there's Lego candy.
Which one?
Lego
Can
candy.
you open that one?
Yeah. Oh, that's weird.
Take a little bit more of that.
Yorel is having the time of his life here. I don't know if you guys have this in the Netherlands, like that you can take candy like this. You probably do, and I'm probably being stupid, but you know, whatever. Okay, he's got it filled. Are you satisfied with your...
Yes, I'm satisfied. I got whatever I wanted to try, and now I'm gonna go in a sugarcoat and watch ice hockey
Yeah.
with these guys.
I don't know if you get to take it in. At the hockey match.
I'll put it in my bag. We'll
Yeah,
see.
no one will see.
Men alltså jag får jättelätt ont i axlarna.
spelat där utav Finland och han har varit bra i den här matchen. Nu gör han också mål, Kasperi Kapanen, och det är utjämnat 1-1.
So we're on a journey back to Pietarsaari and Vasa with the Vasa line. Einar loves it.
Yeah.
Fucking great, right, Einar?
Fucking hype.
From that, I think I'll probably listen to Drake. Because